Hi friends, welcome back. I'm excited to share with you another grocery haul today. I did grocery pickup this morning and this is everything we bought, and I'm going to share with you how much we spent. So we are a family of 4. We live in California. It's my husband, me, and I have 2 children, my daughter who's 4.5 and my son who is 3. So we shopped at Whole Foods Market today and we spent $272, and we are not eating out any meals this week. We're making everything homemade this week, so we have lots of food to make all of our meals homemade. So we go through a lot of bananas in our house, grapes, oranges, cucumbers, apples. Those are some of my kids' favorites. We love potatoes, sweet potatoes, lots of veggies. I love avocado. Lots of veggies for lunches and dinners throughout the week. Stocking up on almond milk. I love this bone broth for making soups. Lots of berries and frozen fruit for smoothies, but my kids will also just snack on these like in a bowl. These are my beets I like to buy. I go through about one of these a week. Sometimes it lasts me a little bit longer. And so we have beans, lentils. I'll cook these up for soup this week. Lots of beans, some bread, some peanut butter, and then stuff to make homemade pizza, which we do once a week. We like this Simple Mills pizza dough. Some snacks this week. We love potato chips. We love them. My husband likes this popcorn. That's kind of his evening snack. I was all out of molasses, and I love this molasses for making molasses bites for the kids. Molasses has iron and calcium. It's super healthy, and I put this in little energy bites or snack bites for them. You know, I love Simple Mills. And so I got some more different crackers. And we eat predominantly plant-based, but some of our meals throughout the week, like we like to do salmon once a week, and then we do taco night. And so we like to have options of some people like chicken, some people just want them to be fully plant-based. Got some eggs. I love these tortillas from Siete, the almond flour tortillas. Wild blueberries, 2 times the antioxidants. And yeah, this is the dairy-free cheese I like to put on our pizzas. Let me know if you have any questions about our grocery haul. I hope you guys have a happy and healthy day. Bye.